Predictive FBA restocking applies only if you are selling through FBA, fulfillment by Amazon, which means that Amazon fulfills your orders for you. Predictive restocking relates only to the actual SKU sold through FBA. It is focused on the selling SKU and the amounts needed to restock FBA. It is not designed to provide information about the inventoried SKU or determine purchase quantities. Before you generate restock predictions, do the following. Make sure the Client Setting Calculate Quantity sold in X days for predicted purchasing is enabled. Ensure that Product Inventory Movement Service is running on the server. It runs daily at around 2 a.m. To generate restock predictions, go to Purchasing, Tools, Predictive FBA Restocking. Select Days of Order and Days to Order. Click Search to populate the grid with items. The grid will only show items fulfilled by Amazon. However, if the requirements are not met, or if you want to calculate based on more recent data, click Generate Data for Sold Since Last Year from the Action menu. This will calculate data for all FBA products in your catalog. Alternatively, you can select specific items on the grid and select Generate Data for selected SKUs. To export a predictive restocking report, select Products from the grid and click Export to Excel from the Action menu. Alternatively, you can create a scheduled task that automatically exports a predictive restocking Excel file.